Apple might be on the verge of unveiling its next big leap in spatial computing with the launch of the new Vision Pro 3 headset. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. A mysterious new head-mounted device has just appeared in the FCC database, and all signs point to a next-gen Vision Pro headset. The filing was submitted on September 16th, and it was spotted by Upload VR. While the document stopped short of naming the device, the design diagrams look strikingly similar to the current Vision Pro. And here's the best part. The filing hints at the addition of a Thread radio, which would allow the headset to connect directly with smart home devices. A clear push towards making the Vision Pro a hub, not just for mixed reality, but for your entire house. Since FCC approval is mandatory for wireless devices sold in the US, this filing could mean that a new Vision Pro is just around the corner. According to previous reports from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple's been working on an updated Vision Pro that will replace the current M2 chip for the more powerful M4 or even unreleased M5 one. The M4 already flexes with a 50% faster CPU and a massive GPU boost, which is perfect for powering the kind of immersive visuals the Vision Pro claims. By the way, don't expect drastic changes in the design aside from a possible new strap. Most updates will be inside the device, but with the FCC listing now live, the countdown has officially begun. Apple hasn't confirmed anything yet, but it is kind of obvious now that the Vision Pro is real and it's coming sooner than you think. Are you waiting to get your hands on this? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.